Hey everyone, Alok here from AutoReel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos, a highly requested feature. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this case, I've created a video and I may want to edit it. Maybe remove some scenes, change some of the text, the audio, or the branding. Let's go ahead and get started by clicking the edit button. Now, the number of edits you're allowed depends on the plan you're on. And so in this case, I want to make the video shorter. So I'm going to get rid of the bedroom photos. Maybe I want it just externals. So I removed all bedroom photos. So it's only the external of the house. This looks good to me. I click next. And now I can change any information around the intro, outro, the audio, or the font style, as well as the branding. In this case, I'm going to change the text to just sold. I'm going to change the audio to inspired ambient. This looks good to me. I'm going to remove my phone number and leave just my email. And the branding looks good. Create video. And we've kicked off an edit. Now, in just a few moments, this video will become available and we can go ahead and download it. Now, at the same time, I can still go and download the original one while waiting for this to finish. In just a couple minutes, the video is now edited and I can take a look. Again, the original is right here. The second version is already available. I can see the text has changed. The audio is different, and let's verify the end. This looks good. My phone number was reviewed. So the edits worked. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and I can share this with my clients instantly. I can create more edits if I want, or I can get started with a new video. And again, it depends on the plan you're on. But this is edits with AutoReel. Thank you so much. Let us know how you like it.